Alright, let's play some Christmas songs. Make sure you tune up your ukuleles. Want them nice and in tune. Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn a few Christmas songs on the ukulele. You won't need much, just your ukulele of course, and you can use your thumb to strum if you want, or you can use a guitar pick. The first song we're gonna play is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and we're just gonna play one section of this song today. We only need to play the chords C major and G major. And if you actually know G7, you can do that one instead of G. Alright, it's pretty simple. We're just gonna do a basic quarter note strumming pattern like this. You can just try strumming along with me. I'll tell you when to change chords. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. On nose, we're gonna switch to a G major. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. On glows, we're gonna go back to C major. And then we're gonna continue on C major. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. On names, we're gonna go to G major. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. On that, and on games, you go back to a C major. We're gonna be switching chords on the words nose and glows and names and games. Here we go around again on the C major. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. That's on the G major. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. That's back to C major. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names on G major. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Back to C major. It's a simple number, really. The next tune we're gonna do is Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree. I like this song because it's in one of my favorite holiday movies, Home Alone. For Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree, we're only gonna need to do C major and G major. Let's just start strumming a quarter note pattern again like this. Rockin' around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Yeah, so we're gonna switch to a G on Christmas there. And then we'll keep going. Mistletoe hung where you can see. Every couple tries to stop. Back to a C major. We'll continue on C now. Rockin' around the Christmas tree. Let the Christmas spirit ring. That was back to the G major. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. Back to C major. Let's go around on that again. Start on C major. Rockin' around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. That's a G major there. Mistletoe hung where you can see. Every couple tries to stop. Back to the C major. Rockin' around the Christmas tree. Let the Christmas spirit ring. That's back to the G major there. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. Back to C major. Okay. If you want to do something a little more snappy, you can try this. Rockin' around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can sing. Every couple tries to stop. Rockin' around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. Hey, if this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Now let's play Jingle Bells. To play Jingle Bells, we're gonna need to play 4 chords, C major, F major, D7, and G. Alright, let's just start with a nice slow strumming pattern and follow along here. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Going to an F. Oh, what fun it. Back to a C is to ride in a D7, one horse open, G major, sleigh. Hey, back to C. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. To F major. Oh, what fun it. Back to C major is to ride on a G major, one horse open, C major, sleigh. Yeah, kind of a lot of changes there for such a simple little tune. Let's try it again. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. F, oh what fun. C, to ride in a D7, one horse open, G. Back to C, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. F major, oh what fun. C major is to ride, and G major, one horse open, C major, sleigh. I can't say the chord names and the lyrics at the same time. One neat little trick is to replace your ukulele string, this G, with a low G, like one octave lower. And when you do that, you get a bass string, basically. And when you play like these old-timey tunes, you can do this bass strum pattern, which sounds really nice.